How to fix error underscore blocked underscore by underscore administrator in Edge, Chrome. 1. Administrator, if you can. 2. Configure the registry editor. 2.1 Google Chrome, delete URL block list from hkey underscore local underscore machine backslash software backslash policies backslash Google backslash Chrome and hkey underscore current underscore user backslash software backslash policies backslash Google backslash Chrome. Plan B, delete Chrome folder from the above mentioned reg settings. 2.2 Edge, delete the Edge. Folder at hkey underscore current underscore user backslash software backslash Microsoft. 3. Clear cache and browsing data. 4. Update the browser. 5. Reset the browser. 6. Disable add-ons.